Icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, hi. It feels like I haven't talked on here in a while. I just feel like I've just been doing like other videos and I haven't been talking to you guys. I miss y'all. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul today, you guys. So I got some stuff from America's Thrift Store and from Plato's Closet as well. So I'm going to be showing y'all some stuff I got today. But yes, y'all, I miss y'all. Like, I miss y'all, like for real. So yeah, y'all know I've been having different hairstyles and everything like that, but your girl has been doing some things, learning how to do some hair. You feel me? But I hope everyone has had a great day today, or is having a great day today, or good night, or good day, good evening, good whatever. So yes, but let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, first things first, we're gonna start off with Plato's. So y'all, I got this cute little dress. This cute dress. It's like gold and it's like runched on the side. I love this dress. When I tried it on, it was really cute. It's like a cute little date night dress, you know. Girl on a date soon, you feel me? But the dress was $10. I loved it. I love the price. It was cheap, so I love how it was just $10. And this is the brand. If y'all can see it, I don't know how to say it, but I love the dress. It has a zipper in the back. Yeah, it has a zipper in the back. But yes, y'all. So it's really cute, and I love how it's just flowing. You know, it's just cute. I just like this. This is really nice and really cute. Especially when a girl on a date. I like.
I know that's right.
Okay, next thing is, y'all, it's this cute this cute dress, y'all. When I picked it up, I thought it was a skirt because it was like this. No, I did not think it was a skirt. I thought it was like a dress without straps. That's what I thought it was. But back then, I tried this on. Your girl gotta take pictures in this, you know. And y'all, it has a slit on the side. It's just so cute. So cute. I love it. And this dress was $12, and it doesn't have a name of where it's from. Oh, it's from Blushmark. I think I heard of them before. So yes, y'all, this dress is so cute. I love it when I try it on. I'm sorry. Yo. So yes, honey, y'all be prepared for me to take some pictures of this. Cause honey, you know. Okay, next I got is this cute button-down shirt, dress, whatever you want to call it. It can be a button-down shirt or dress. It's like zebra print. It's really cute, and it is a size large, and it was $8, and I guess it's by Stillwaters. Yeah, it's by Stillwater. Y'all don't mind my nails. I took my nails off, but I'm gonna put them back on. I've been doing a lot of DIYs, so you know what I mean. So yes, y'all, it was so cute. It caught my eye when I first saw it because I walked by and I'm like, do I want this or do I not want this? You know. But I was like, let me just go ahead and get it. Okay. So, by the way, all this stuff right here, I just got 3 things from Plato's Closet. So, yeah. Okay. Next is America's Thrift Store. So, y'all already know, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So, I already took pictures in these pants. So, these are a mossy oak. I guess that's how you say it. Mossy. I don't know. I could be wrong. But anyway, these are 34/34. These are men pants that I got from the men's side. These are really cute. I was like, do I want these? I was like, I think I do. You know what I mean? Let me stop. But yeah, I like these pants. They was really cute, and I was like, they can go with anything. So, next, maybe some boots. Got some cute boots, y'all. I have to clean these boots up. They are a little scratched up and dirty looking. Hang on, the camera don't want to show it. Let me show y'all. You see, don't want to show it. Like the boot is like completely clean. Like, okay, y'all see now. So I have to like clean them up a little bit, you know, do my own little stuff to it. So yeah, they are a little messed up, but I was like, these are really, really cute. I like them. They can go with like a Halloween outfit or just a cute outfit, you know what I mean? So yes, they are dirty, so I will be fixing these up. And these are a size 10, y'all. I wasn't gonna get these because how scratched up they was, but I was like, might as well, because you just never know. And these were $4. So yes. Okay, next is a pair of Wrangler Man jeans. These were $2.99. So yes, the size of these jeans are 34/34. Yeah, these are really cute, and what really caught my eye with these jeans are I like how it's like runched on the back. So yeah, and these were $2.99. Okay, next I got is this baby shirt. This says Duke University. It's a cute little baby shirt. It's $2.99, y'all. This shirt is a size small. I got this shirt because I'm gonna do some stuff to it. I don't know what I'm doing to it yet, or I may just wear it like this. We don't know, but I just like it because Duke University. It's really cute. I like the color on it. So yeah. And the last thing I got is this. What is this? This is by Faded Glory. I like this shirt. It's huge, y'all. This is a size is this? The size is extra large, and it is $3.99. So I will be doing some things, some stuff with this. I like how it looks. It's just really, really cute. You know what I mean? And it was $3.99. So yes, I just love it how it looks. It's just so cute, and I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. You know what I mean? But y'all, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I know I did. I love thrifting. That's my favorite thing to do. I just been into thrifting, doing DIYs and stuff like that. So that's just, you know, thrifting is amazing. So yeah, but anyway, whenever y'all go thrifting, make sure y'all always wash those clothes, because those clothes are from other people and you don't know what other people have going on. So make sure you wash those clothes and stuff like that. So I will be washing these clothes after this video and taking a shower. So yeah, because I don't want those germs on me. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join me, join your girl, and watch what I have next, you guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.